Aside from endowment plans na nagmamature siya on 15 years, 20 years, or at age 65, ano pa yung alternative natin sa time deposits? Actually, marami. We could invest in cooperative, since tax-free pa rin yung cooperative. You could increase your contribution sa pag-ibig, aside sa pag-ibig in P2 ha. Yung regular na pag-ibig, you could increase your own contribution. Of course, you could not increase yung employee share. And you could invest in pag-ibig in P2 kasi tax-free din siya. And of course, sa SSS, meron din silang another investment aside sa yung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, pero meron din silang another investment. And of course, you could invest in money market funds. A money market fund is a pooled fund, so it could be a mutual fund or a UITF that invest in various instruments na conservative yung nature, such as treasury bills, BSP bills, or mga time deposits. And the good thing about money market funds is tax-free sila, tapos decent na din yung return ng mga 3 to 4% per annum, and nawi-withdraw mo siya anytime. So yan yung mga alternatives natin sa ngayon.